Hello, everyone. We are Jaeho and Konstantin, and in phase two of the program, would like to work on closing the loop on plastic waste. And here's why. Plastics is sometimes referred to as the material of 1,000 uses, and this has led to the fact that by now 400 megatons of plastics are produced every year. And this number is expected to grow threefold up until 2060. This brings quite some challenges with it. On the one hand, this production causes 2 gigatons of CO2e emissions already today. On the other hand, there's the end-of-life treatment. As you can see, the vast majority of plastics ends up on landfills or is mismanaged and hence stays around in the environment for hundreds of years as degradation is very slow. Only 9% of the plastics is currently being recycled.
So why now? About half a year ago, the EU passed a game-changing regulation. It mandates that single-use plastics must contain at least 30% of recycled content, and this must be achieved within the next 5 years. And that's just the beginning. The recycled content requirement will keep rising for the next 15 years. That means the big brands are already shifting. Clothes, bottles, and backpacks are now being produced with more and more recycled materials. The demand for high quality recycled material is now up to 3 times higher than what can be supplied. That's where the next generation recycling comes in, especially the biological methods. They can deliver virgin quality feedstock at competitive costs. In just the last 10 years, the technology advancement has been substantial. So this is no longer just about the waste, it's about building the material for the future. And why us? I have more than a decade of experience engineering bacteria. I gathered 19 scientific articles and I worked in 4 years in industry.
And I bring two key strengths to our team. On the one hand, I also have experience in academia and research, so Jaeho and I do speak the same language, and I know where research ends and where commercialization needs to pick up. On the other hand, I bring 6 years of startup experience in different leadership roles, where I also helped to scale an infrastructure-heavy business to unicorn status. Thanks already a lot for the support in phase one of the program, and now we're looking forward to phase two.